Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. Today we have for you a 1973 Ford Mach 1. Beautiful, beautiful blue. This paint job is immaculate. Little black pinstripes down the side, chrome mags. This is a beautiful car. I'm just gonna take it around so you can get a nice view of it. Nice 360. Show you the inside. We've got the black leather interior, classic, slick, perfect condition. Love the wood grain wheel it has. Original gauges, radio, all that stuff. Everything works inside. Just a beautiful, beautiful car. Headliner, perfect condition. Let's go ahead and start her up for you. Starts right up, no hesitation. It's got the little dash light there. See if I can open the hood one-handed for you. Two hands for that hood. But here she is. Super, super clean. Sounds beautiful. Go ahead and take it around to the exhaust. Look at that car. Beautiful. Sounds good going down the road. We'll take it for a spin. We'll be right back. All right, here we are in the 1973 Ford Mach 1, baby blue. Love this wood grain steering wheel. I'll just show you here. The radio does work. The AC works. Blowing nice and strong. Turn this off so we can hear what's going on. And this thing just idles so nicely. Switches into gear super, super smoothly. Go ahead and take it around the block for you. Takes that bump nice and smooth. Get some speed. This thing feels so good to drive. Takes the corners nice. The steering is nice and tight. Do a little brake check. Super good. No hands, no pulling, no nothing. This is a fun, fun car to drive. You can come check it out in person, skywayclassics.com. Right in Lakewood Ranch in 64. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it around, put it up on the hoist, and show you the undercarriage. Thank you so much. Typically when I do these undercarriage videos, I do it from the rear to the front. This time, because of the time of day it is, I'm going to come from the front to the back, just because the sun glare is too bad to do it the other way. So I just wanted to let you know. We're going from the front of the car to the back of the car.